This is SGT Times, bringing news from campus bus to the world. I am Sadia Sheikh, and here's what's making headlines. PM Modi inaugurated 103 Amrit stations across India. Mizoram becomes India's first fully literate state. SGT University honors class 12th achievers in style. Here's a detailed look at our stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Bikaner, Rajasthan, where he inaugurated Deshnoke railway station and virtually launched 103 redeveloped Amrit stations. Multiple development projects worth Rs 26,000 crore were also dedicated to the nation. Here we bring you the details.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi visits to Bikaner marked a major leap in the infrastructure and connectivity. At the Deshnoke station, revamped with the temple-inspired architecture, he flagged off the Bikaner-Mumbai Express. Virtually 103 redeveloped Amrit stations across 18 states were inaugurated, reflecting India's railway transformation. He also laid the foundation stones for electrification, solar projects, and highways aiming at regional growth and national integration. His visit ended with the prayers at Karni Mata Temple and a massive public address. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Chief Minister Laldu Homa proudly announced Mizoram's new milestone, becoming the first Indian state to achieve 98.2% literacy, surpassing the national full literacy benchmark. Let's know more about the news.
Mizoram has officially become India's first fully literate state, reaching a literacy rate of 98.2%. This achievement results from decades of education reforms and community participation. From 91.33% in 2011 to today's national leading figure, Mizoram sets an inspiring example. While India's average literacy rate is rising, several states still face gaps. Andhra Pradesh and Bihar remain at the bottom, showing the urgent need for balanced educational development. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We will be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here's what's next in the news. SGT University, in collaboration with Dainik Jagran, celebrated the academic excellence of class 12 students, scoring above 70% in a grand felicitation ceremony. Let's have a look.
On May 2020, SGT University, in association with Dainik Jagran, hosted the Felicitation Ceremony 2025 to honor Class 12 achievers. Over hundreds of students were celebrated for scoring 70% and above. The event was graced by Gurugram Police Commissioner Mr. Vikas Arora, IPS as chief guest, who inspired students with motivational words. The ceremony reflects the university's commitment to recognize and uplifting academic brilliance. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. SGT Times, an initiative by the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with the more important news.